BMW Motorcycles. It's hard to find a brand more classy and stylish. The diversity of the BMW lineup exceeds most competitors, and with a surprisingly affordable price point. So we were invited in by the new ownership at Wolf Motorcycles in London, Ontario for a spring BMW event, and given an opportunity to film some of their 2024 models. So if you're a fan of BMW motorcycles, curious about the brand, or an avid rider, stay right here. This video is for you. This is Scott Fraser, and this is me, Gary Parsons. We are the Northern Road Kings. Welcome to the 2024 BMW Spring event at Wolf Motorcycle in London, Ontario. Thanks for checking out our video. To inquire on any of these models, we put the contact information for Wolf Motorcycles in the video description. Truly a great team to purchase from, ask questions, or even get a boost in the parking lot. Thanks again, Nathan. So hit that like button if you like the video. It really helps by telling YouTube to send our content out to more people. And smash that subscribe button for more videos like this. It's totally free. And we'll see you soon. Cheers.